आज हमारे राम आ गए हैं। सदियों की प्रतीक्षा के बाद हमारे राम आ गए हैं।
January 22nd, 2024 marks a defining moment in the cultural continuum of Sanatan Dharma. Celebrations echoed across the country, and Ayodhya was immersed in devotion, illuminated by faith and fervor. This was the moment for which millions of Indians had been waiting for centuries. It was a day of transition for Sanatan culture, and it was a day of the consecration of Lord Ram Lalla in the grand, divine and magnificent temple built at the birthplace of Lord Sri Ram. After years of struggle and unwavering commitment, the moment arrived on 22nd of January 2024. It was not merely a date, it was the dawn of a new era.
22 जनवरी 2024 का ये सूरज एक अद्भुत आभा लेकर आया है। 22 जनवरी 2024 ये कैलेंडर पर लिखी एक तारीख नहीं, ये एक नए काल चक्र का उद्गम है। आज हमें सदियों के उस धैर्य की धरोहर मिली है। आज हमें श्री राम का मंदिर मिला।
All eyes were on the Grand Ram Temple, awaiting the first glimpse of Sri Ram Lalla's idol. Dressed in traditional attire, barefoot, carrying the sacred red folded cloth along with a silver chatar, when Prime Minister Narendra Modi walked towards the sanctum sanctorum of the temple, Ayodhya stood witness to a moment etched in faith and history. A wave of emotions swept across the nation. Tears of joy rolled down the cheeks of millions who had waited for this sacred moment since years. The divine atmosphere, energy, and the enthusiasm gripped Ayodhya as people gathered to witness the auspicious consecration ceremony of Sri Ram Lalla.
आज अयोध्या में केवल श्री राम के विग्रह रूप की प्राण प्रतिष्ठा नहीं हुई है, ये श्री राम के रूप में साक्षात भारतीय संस्कृति के प्रति अटूट विश्वास की भी प्राण प्रतिष्ठा है। ये साक्षात मानवीय मूल्यों और सर्वोच्च आदर्शों की भी प्राण प्रतिष्ठा है। ये राम के रूप में राष्ट्र चेतना का मंदिर है।
This day holds a special place in the history of Bharat. It marked the nation's cultural renaissance, a moment when the country restored its pride, glory, and witnessed a revival of its cultural, religious, and spiritual spirit. The joy, excitement, and sheer enthusiasm of the people will pave the way for the rise of a new Bharat. For Ram belongs to all. Ram is everywhere, and Ram resides within each of us. After the construction of Ram Temple, the consecration, and now the hoisting of Dharma Dhwaj, Ayodhya is shining on the global stage. Today, people from all over the world are making their way to the sacred land of Ayodhya, immersed in devotion to catch a glimpse of Ram Lalla and witness the grandeur of the Ram Temple. From Hanuman Gari Temple to the banks of Saryu, a wave of positive energy and excitement tells the story of transformation and the rise of a new and self-reliant Bharat.
January 22nd, 2024 will be remembered as a historic turning point for Bharat. Its rich cultural legacy, which continues to thrive every day. Today, Ayodhya stands as a symbol of faith and perseverance. And this moment will go down to generations. Today, people from all over the world come to Ayodhya to witness the grandeur of Ram Mandir and get a glimpse of Ram Lala. With camera person Mukesh Kumar, this is Siddharth Bharadwaj reporting for DD India in New Delhi.